Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to Will It Shave Wednesday. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Well, it is Wednesday and it is time for another blade comparison or showdown. And so today's blades in question, which if you read the title, you probably already know, it is the Voshkod versus the Derby. And I almost dropped those. I had my wife load those into these two razors, which are identical to each other. These are the Gamechanger 0.84 with the solid bar. I have no idea what is in there, but a viewer told me to go ahead and edit the video and put what is actually in there before I get shaven. So now you guys know. I'm going to be using the HC&C, and this is the OG or the original unscented. And I already whipped it up and I put the Southern Comfort scent oil in there. I'm using my SemougeBoar Brush. And let's, yeah, that is a nice tobacco and bourbony scent. Have that whipped up already. Let's go ahead and get to lathering the face. Are you guys getting tired of seeing me already? This is a very nice scent. I know I have the White Star shave stick in this, and it is just a dead-on scent, but this is a little bit easier. All right, so here we go. Razor number 1. What is it gonna be? Oh boy. I know that old familiar sting. This has to be the Voshkod. I don't want any more of it. It's you know, let's see, how does that go? If a dog rubbed his butt on sandpaper, what would he say? Rough! Okay, so here we go. Razor number 2. Oh yeah. This has to be the Derby blade. It is it's not real sharp, but it is pretty smooth. I was debating on rinsing it off or not. Let's just continue on with the shave. This is the one that I believe is the Voshkod blade. I know I'm going to feel it later. And now, back to the Derby blade. I feel like this side is a little bit closer of a shave, and let's just take it out and see, because we're in between passes here. I say this one is the Derby blade. Whoops. I still got it upside down. Yep. Derby. And this one, no doubt, is going to be Voshkod. So let's go ahead and get lathered up for pass number 2. Probably should have put a little bit more water in here. I had a couple days worth of growth. I'm sure you saw that already. And here we go for pass 2. Across the grain. Across the grain. Well, the weekend is approaching rapidly. Do you guys have any plans? Look like all the soaps on the Razor Company drop is getting delivered. I should be getting mine today, which would be nice. I had thought about using it for this shave if it came in on time, but it didn't. And I have that one little spot there that is irritating me. I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. I am back. You didn't miss me. So I'm going to be using the Stirling unscented, and I'm going to try not to make a mess here, because I'm going to take a drop of this, add my splash, rub it around, and I'm going to smell good all day. Here we go. One little drop. And the messy part is not tipping over that little vial. Oh yeah. Now, I was thinking about this and reading some of the comments, and so I'm going to post a picture, or maybe a whole picture here, of my tournament chart, and I'm going to slowly start adding blades as I go, and eventually they are going to compete against each other. So I didn't want to put any top blades against each other right away. I kind of wanted to narrow down some of the miscellaneous blades, and I'm trying to rank them, you know, somewhere around each other when it comes to the lower end blades, because I thought that would be kind of fun, and it'll just make for more of a show. I think that'll be enjoyable for you guys to watch. So there you go. That is the shave for today, and clearly for me, the Derby knocked the Voshkod out of the park. It was smoother. It didn't cut nearly as well as like the Gillette Silver Blue, but it looks like it's going to be competing against the Gillette Silver Blue by the time I make it through this first round. So I will see you guys on Sunday shave. You have a great rest of your week, and I will see you then.